Hi guys, we are here at Westchester Wine Warehouse. My name is Wendy Abreu and I am a brand ambassador for Señor Sangria. We are promoting today Señor Sangria Classic Red and Classic White. These sangrias are produced in Washingtonville, New York at Brotherhood. We have our Classic Red and our Classic White. With the Classic Red, it is made with Merlot, has red grapes, lime, and orange. With our Classic White, we have Sauvignon Blanc with mango, pineapple, orange, lemon, lime, and apple. Amazing thing about this sangria is that it has no artificial sugars or flavor. They are made with cane sugar, and then you get the sweetness of the fruits. Come on by and try our sangria.